Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we are going to show you an almost instant way to cook curry vegetables without using any rempah paste or coconut milk. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to prepare our curry mixture. I have with me over here 800 milliliters of water. Add in 1 heap of a tablespoon of curry powder. What I'm using is chicken curry powder. Put it in. 1 heap of a tablespoon of garam masala, which is the mixed spices from India. Just put them in also. For the curry powder, you can use vegetables or meat curry powder is fine. I'll be adding in also 1 heap of a tablespoon of chilli powder. If you do not like too much heat, always reduce this, no problem at all. Put it in. And to have that beautiful earthy flavor, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Just mix them up well together first. After you have mixed them up well, I'll show you how we put the dish together. Now we're going to put the dish together. Heat up a pan at medium heat. Add in a little bit of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit. I'm adding in 150 grams of red onion, minced up like this. Put it in. Fry them up a little bit until they are a little bit translucent. Once the onions are a little bit translucent like this, you add in 20 grams of dried shrimp, which I've soaked for 20 minutes and coarsely chop them up like this. Just pour everything in. You can add the water that we use to soak the dry shrimp for the dish. It will be more flavorful. Once you have mixed them up well and you can start to smell the beautiful fragrance that's coming out, you add in 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Put them in. We just fry this for another 10-15 seconds just to get everything mixed up together. When you have mixed them up well like this, we'll add in our curry mixture. Just pour everything in. Make sure you mix them up well first. Now some of our viewers ask us where they can get the garam masala or the chicken curry powder or the cumin powder. You can get all this from any major supermarket, no problem at all. Now turn the heat up to medium-high. Put the lid on and we'll wait for this to come to a boil. Just in case you want to know what kind of spices I use, these are the different spices or brands of it. You do not have to use the same brand back. You can get whatever is available in your supermarket. Now that the sauce is boiling, we add in our vegetables. I have with me over here 220 grams of cabbage. For the long beans, it's 80 grams, 100 grams of carrots, and 5 tofu puff, which I've cut into half. Just put them all in first. What kind of vegetables you put is really up to you. This dish is very versatile with any greens. Okay. I'm just putting all these more hardy vegetables in before I add in my brinjal as well as my lady's finger. Now we'll salt this. 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Of course, you can adjust the salt to your liking. Mix up well. Put the lid on and we'll turn the heat to medium-low. We'll just simmer this for 5 to 10 minutes depending on how cooked you want the vegetables to be. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. Now we'll add in our other vegetables. I have with me over here 60 grams of lady's finger as well as 120 grams of brinjal. Let's just put them all together. Give it a stir. Alright. Put the lid back on and we'll cook this for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. Let's just mix this up a little bit and let's just give this a taste. Wonderful. I'll just need to add in a little bit more salt. 1 more teaspoon of salt. Okay, this is done. It's time to serve this. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Let's give this a taste now. Very fragrant curry taste. It's really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. It's free. I'll see you next time.